So sa video na ito ay ating i-discuss yung tinatawag na sequence. Now, punta na tayo sa ating exercise na letter A. Yung tanong dito ngayon is, what is the next term? Pag sinasabi mong next term, ano yung kasunod na value pagkatapos ng last one na naibigay? So, ibig sabihin, bawat element dito ay tinatawag na term. Ito yung first term or pinakaunang term. Ito yung pangalawang term, pangatlong term, pang-apat na term. So, yung kasunod is yung tinatawag na next term. Para mahanap mo yung next term, ay dapat mong malaman yung pattern or yung rule na kung saan ay makakapagbibigay sa iyo ng kasunod na term. So, syempre, dito ka magbibase sa first terms na given. So, yung first term is yung 2. So, anong gagawin natin sa 2? So that ang magiging next term ay 4. Pwede tayong plus 2 at pwede rin tayong times 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So, kaya lang, punta tayo sa third term. Paano mangyaring maging 6 pagkatapos ng ating 4? So, pag ang 4, pag times 2 natin, ay magiging 8. So, mali na kaagad yung rule na yon. But, if yung plus 2, so magiging 6 siya. So, may clue na tayo. So, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So, yun lang talaga yung rule ng ating number 1. So, you add 2 sa bawat term. So, therefore, yung 8 plus 2 ay magiging 10. Or, if mabilis na kagad kayo sa math, malaman nyo kagad na yung given ay multiples ng ating 2. So, lagay natin multiples of 2. Yun yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Kasi 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, times 3 is 8. So, yun yung rule ng ating number 1. Kaya, yung sagot natin ay 10. Punto na tayo sa number 2. 3, 6, 9, 12. Well, napaka-simple. It's the multiples of 3. So, multiples of 3, kasi 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, or pwede din 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So, it's like you are adding 3 for every term para makuha yung next term. So, pag mag-add ako ng 3 sa 12, kasi plus 3 ito, plus 3 plus 3, yung sagot natin ay magiging 15. Alright, so yung tinatawag na sequence. Next, 2, 4. So, pag 2, yung first term, magiging 4 siya if 2 times 2 is 4. At 2 plus 2 is 4. But, after ng 4 is 8. So, 4 plus 2 is 6. Yun yung sa number 1. But this time, it's 8 na. So, yung pattern natin is, minimultiply natin sa 2 ang bawat term bago sa next term. So, therefore, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Siyempre, 16 times 2 is 32. And that is our next term. So, yung ating rule dito ay you multiply the previous term by 2. Alright, so yun yung rule natin, diba? Next, last, number 4. 10, 8, 6, 4. Yung first mong man-notice sa number 4 natin ay bumababa yung number. So, yung 10 ay naging 8, yung 8 ay naging 6, at yung 6 ay naging 4. So, in short, meron tayong sinasubtract dito. Right? So, ang 10, pag magiging 8 siya, ibig sabihin, nag-subtract tayo ng 2. Tsaka yung 8, pag sinubtract natin yung 2 sa kanya, ay magiging 6. Minus 2 is 4. At saka minus 2. So, yung next term ng ating number 4 ay 2. So, yung rule natin is subtract the previous term by 2. That's it. Yun ang talagang pinakaunang concept ng ating sequence. Alright, part B. So, sa part B, this time, hindi na next term yung hinahanap natin, kundi yung exact na term, like yung ika-anim na term. Pag sinasabi mong 6th term, ibig sabihin yung pinaka-anim na term. Pag sinasabi natin 8th term, yung ika-8 term. At saka usually yung given, incomplete siya at kailangan mo talagang punan yung previous na mga terms bago yung tinatanong na term. So example number 1. What is the 6th term? So i-introduce ko na sa inyo kung ano yung mga symbols na ginagamit pag sinasabing term. Pag sinasabi nating term, ginagamitan natin ng letter na A. Tsaka meron siyang subscript. Pag sinabi mong subscript, yung may maliit na number sa lower right niya. So pag sinasabi mong A, yun yung term, tsaka yung number, yun yung place ng term. So example, pag sinasabi mong A sub 1, yun yung first na term. So yung pangalawa is A pa din. This time, number 2 na kasi it's the second term. Pag sinasabi mong A sub 3, that's how you read it, sub, yun yung third term. Yung problema natin, yung hinahanap natin is yung ika-anim. Therefore, sa problem na ito, wala tayong A sub 4 o yung ika-apat na term. Wala din tayong A sub 5 o yung fifth term bago natin mahanap si A sub 6, which is our main question. So, tatlo yung sasagutin natin para maka-arrive tayo sa 6th term. So, I think alam na natin kaagad yung answer kasi 2 yung first at naging 4 at naging 8. Just like sa previous na example. So, 2 times 2 became 4 times 2 became 8 times 2. So, yung A sub 4 natin ay 16 times 2. Yung A sub 5 ay 32. Multiply it 2 sa pinakalas na part. So, 32 times 2 is 64. At yun yung 6th term. And that is our answer. Sa ating second example, hinahanap natin yung 8th term. So, yung given natin ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kailangan din natin malaman yung tatlo. Right? So yung first term is being represented by A sub 1, A sub 2. Dapat mag-get use na kayo dito ha, kasi sa next na mga topics, eto na talaga yung gagamitin ninyo. A sub 3, A sub 4, A sub 5, wala tayong A sub 6, wala tayong A sub 7, at eto yung main question natin. Alright, so let's see kung ano yung pattern ng ating sequence dito. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Simple. Subtract 2. 10 minus 2, 8. Minus 2, 6. Minus 2, 4. Minus 2 is 2. Minus 2 is 0. Minus 2 is negative 2. Minus 2 is negative 4. And that is our A sub 8 or yung 8th term natin. Last part, exercise letter C. So, yung instruction natin ay sinasabi na find the first 3 terms using the given rule. And I think alam niyo na kung ano yung first 3 terms na tinatawag. Hinahanap natin kung ano yung value ng ating A sub 1, ang value ng ating A sub 2, at ang value ng ating A sub 3. Okay? And yung bago lang dito is, sinasabi na using the given rule. Pag sinasabi mong rule, we are talking about the given formula. So, hanapin niyo yung value ng tatlong unang terms gamit yung formula. Yung first rule natin is A sub n equals to n plus 5. Bakit n ang nakalagay dito at hindi yung 1, 2, 3? Kasi generic ito. Pag hinahanap natin yung value ng first term or yung A sub 1, yun ang maglalagay ng number. A sub n kasi generic na formula. nakadepende kung ano yung term na hinahanap natin. So, anong example nito? Sa a sub 1, yung n natin is 1. Kasi yung n, yung nagre-represent ng first na term. So, that's why naka 1 yung first, yung pangalawa ay 2, yung pangatlo ay a sub 3. So, ito yung letter n dito. So, yung n ay nakabase kung pang-ilang term yung hinahanap natin na value. First nating hanapin, syempre, is yung value ng a sub 1. Kasi yun ang first term. So, yung formula natin na ginagamit, instead na magiging a sub n, ay maging a sub 1. Kasi yung n natin ay magiging 1 dahil hinahanap natin yung first term equals, so yung n nga natin ay papalitan na natin ng 1 kasi yung hinahanap natin ngayon ay first term. Then, copy yung ibang part ng ating formula. So, yung a sub 1 daw ay equal sa 1 plus 5. So, a sub 1 equals 1 plus 5 equals 6. So, yun na kagad. Yung value ng ating a sub 1 ay 6. Okay, punta na tayo sa pangalawang term. Hinahanap natin yung value ni a sub 2. Therefore, yung formula natin instead na a sub n ay magiging a sub 2 equals, yung n natin ay 2 kasi it's the second term. 2 plus 5. In short, papalitan mo yung n based kung pang ilang term yung hinahanap natin. So, yun ang ating, so, yung a sub 2 is yung 2 plus 5, which is 7. Therefore, 7 siya. Last one. So, yung ating C, or pangatlong isi-solve is yung value ng ating a sub 3. Therefore, yung formula a sub n, since hinahanap natin yung pangatlong term, so yung n natin ay magiging 3. So, a sub 3 equals to the 3 plus 5. So, a sub 3 equals 8. And that is our third term. So, therefore, yung first three terms ng ating sequence given ng rule na a sub n equals n plus 5 ay 6, 7, at 8. Alright, example number 2. Hanapin natin yung first three terms using the given rule. Yung rule natin o yung formula natin ay yung a sub n equals 6 minus 3. So, yung ating gagawin muna is, so number 1, hanapin natin yung a sub 1. 1 na kagad yung n kasi it refers to the first term equals 6 minus 3. Yung n natin ay 1. Pero hindi lang natin dapat na nilagay lang yung 1 na magiging 31 siya. Dapat nating maintindihan na yung 3n, ang ibig sabihin yan ay 3 times n. Kung ano man ang value ng n ay minamultiply sa 3. Since first term ang hinahanap natin, so ang mangyayari ay 3 times 1. And then, yun na, algebra na kagad. So, a sub 1 equals 6 minus 3 times 1. Pero syempre, don't forget, pag series of operations, dapat i-follow yung rule na MDAS or yung GEMDAS. So, magmumultiply muna tayo bago mag-subtract. So, 6 minus 3 times 1 or pwede ding negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. And then, 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore, our a sub 1 is 3. A sub 2, so it will be our letter B. A sub 2, so lagay mo na agad. A sub 2 equals, substitute mo na yung n sa 2. Kasi second term yung hinahanap. So, 6 minus 3, yung n ay magiging 2. Formula. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So, 6 minus 6 is 0. Last one, letter C. So, letter C is a sub 3 equals 6 minus 3 times, since third term, yung n natin ay magiging number 3. So, equals 6. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. So, 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So, yung third term natin ay negative. Last example, number 3. Let's say meron tayong rule or formula na a sub n equals to 2n minus 3. So, isi-solve natin kung ano yung magiging first three terms ng ating sequence. So, a sub 1 muna, a sub 2, a sub 3. Okay, a sub 1. So, yung n ng a sub 1 is 1. Yung n ng a sub 2 is 2. Yung n ng a sub 3 is 3. And yun ay ipapalit nyo dito. Okay, so first, letter A. So, since yung unang term yung hinahanap natin, which is yung n niya, ay magiging 1. So, that's why a sub 1 equals to 2. Yung 2 at saka n ay nakamultiply silang dalawa. Okay, so 2 times a sub 1, 1 minus 2. The rest is algebra. Ito yung multiplication at ito naman yung minus. So, sa m dash, dapat unahin si multiplication. So, therefore, multiply muna tayo ng 2 at 1, which is 2 minus 2 equals 0. So, yung first term natin ay 0. Example, letter B. A sub 2 equals 2. Multiply na natin si 2 sa n. Since pangalawang term, so yung n ay 2 minus 2. So, equals, multiply muna. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 2. Yung sagot ay 2. Our a sub 2 is 2. Last term, letter C is a sub 3 equals to 2 times 3 minus 2. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So, our third term is